Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna be doing our squishy haul. That's really loud.
We only got 2, but who cares?
Yeah, and
we
also
got a couple, but those are the ones in front. You can't see them though. First, for mine, he's kind of dirty, but he's like really, really sticky.
He's cute.
He's a chicken.
That's like the, you know, like the. Do you know like
He's the tablet squishy.
Yeah. Do you know the people on like YouTube guys like they have those?
I ripped his beak off on accident, but he's the chicken, but he's like really dirty.
I got like these paw things. I have.
She got like 5, I think.
Yeah, 5. Let me grab one.
And then I just want to play a song for you.
Yeah,
it's not really a song, but
we got
ready.
We got all these. Look at them jelly things.
They're not jelly. Oh,
yeah, they are jelly to me.
It came with a random bow too. This little bow. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
She just did a giant burp. Whoever that is. I think it's
Spencer.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. No! I did it! He's so squishy, like, watch. I'm gonna stick him to both of my hands.
Mwah.
He's so sticky. Maze, look. Maze. Ready?
Oh my gosh. Then we have this.
Don't mind that. She also has an old one. It's like not sticky at all.
Look at that.
Oh, I think it's because it's fake.
Yeah. That one, there's like a jumbo one at the mall.
Yeah, there's a jumbo one.
Look, I made this out of clay. So beautiful.
Also, it's a McDonald's toy. We got the sheep. I didn't know they opened their mouth. Also, a random thingy.
Wait, it does open the mouth? Guys, it opens the mouth.
And then we have the spinny thing. Spin it.
We got dinosaur.
Hey, it's spinning.
Dino. Dino. Let me leave the screen.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that didn't work.
It's so guinea.
Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning. Oh, she also made a pink dinosaur out of clay foam stuff.
Yes. Then we have
Ducky.
the duck.
I'm just gonna play with him the whole time. And then for some reason, an empty push pop.
Yeah, that's me, because I'm a big guy.
What are you bouncing?
A bouncy ball. All these are like scattered around my room, I think. Damn.
Goodbye.
So, bye guys. Like, subscribe. Bye-bye.